There's the lip that will keep it from like going up. So here is the next project. This is another vehicle of my cousin's, his 2008 Mazda CX-7. It is CX-7. And what happened to him was he was pulling into a parking spot and slowly turning in, and he heard and felt a large poing. And he felt it in the car. Fine, with the exception of the steering wheel was now about 45 degrees off center when driving. And what did we find here is right there. The ball joint came right out of the control arm. So in this vehicle, the ball joint comes with the control arm. So we just got to remove the entire control arm, replace it. That is on order. So let's take a little closer look at what we got. That's the control arm. So there's two big bolts there that hold that bushing on. And it comes over here to the ball joint, which is half already off for us. Thank you very much. Then we got that big bolt there that goes all the way through. And you can see like right there, it comes out. So, having worked on these rust belt cars before, I am going to just heat up all these bolts wherever I can, except this one. I'll see what's going on with that, and connecting the sway bar link. So, it's 14. Let's interesting. Okay, all right. It's a so. So I'm just taking this, I think it's backing out under just the little threads it's dug into the knuckle there. But I just want to make sure there is nothing pinching this thing together. Okay, that's not. Here, the whole control arm is just out, separated from the ball joint. I just got to get that ball joint. I think I'm going to move on to the other pieces. So I'm using another license plate to protect the boot. And I'm just going to get it from this side. I'm hoping to just zippity-doo right off. Yay! Just wiggling the controller arm or the sway bar. There we are. So you're looking at basically the bushing at the back end. It's here, I'll show you on the new one. This on the new one, this is exactly where we are, but it's mounted to the car. And the bolt comes up through I assume that nut is welded to the frame, you know, and that's a static thing. So what I'm going to do is clean up the threaded area, pour some, spray some penetrating oil, and then heat for a little bit that area away from the bushing. see it. I'm going to get the bottom of the bolt a little bit too. Tell you, Mazda must like this 16. It's an odd one for me. All right, let's see. All right, see. And let's do the other one without any heat. All right, that's on and... Well, all right, maybe I wasted time with the heat. Fine. Of course. So, all right, let's see what we get. I will assume it was the torching that put it over the edge. Come on. All right, let me get the other ones off. Done. And done. Lastly, this thing. There we are. Woo! Okay, that's out. So, all right, so this still, because it's wedged in here so good, I think it's preventing, I can't really pop it out because this thing is wedged in. There it is. Coming out. Get you, sucker! Woo! Yeah! There it is. Lucky here. Well, alright. Now, right, this is just come out like butter. It'd fall out. It just fall into my hands like a pillow. I was being sarcastic, but it did. All right, well there it is. Let's take it over to my office for forensics. Well, all right. Here is the old one, and this is where the ball joint came out. Interesting. It's there. It's not like blown out or anything. Here's the new one. It looks to be the same. And I'm just looking more closely at the ball joint and this, and it just seems like this is simply press fit, which is not shocking, but I don't see any snap ring or anything that once pressed in would keep this from popping out. I found that very weird. But again, not a real mechanic, but this, you know, would be like here. I don't see any inset there. I don't see, there's the lip that will keep it from like going up. Maybe the issue is this is just purely press fit and that's that. And yeah, just kind of popped out. So this one looks to be, I'll be honest, about the same. Maybe there's a snap ring in there. I don't see it. Maybe it's under there somewhere. But anyways, if I had to guess what happened, I think this thing just popped out, and that's that. Nothing particularly materially failed. There's just no snap ring. So the way this is put together is just very vulnerable to popping out. I think that's it.
Take out the garbage, bring in the cash, put on your pants, everybody work, work.